Hello, my lovely flowers. It's me, Nia, with Xquisite Floral Design and Events. And today we're going to make another open heart arrangement. Oh, this was fun to make because it was so pretty. It was pastel colors. So what I first went in was I used green or lime green carnations, and so I just opened them up and kind of scattered them around. You know, I like to make them put them in clusters. I just used one bunch, which is 25 green carnations, and so we did that. Then the recipe called for pink carnations, and I had some in my floral refrigerator, so I wanted to use those. I cut them about 3 inches long, and then I scattered those along inside of the foam. Next, the recipe called for peach Gerber daisies, mini, but my supplier didn't have many Gerbers in peach, so I just got these hot pink ones, and that was a bunch of them, or 10. And next were peach roses, and all I did was, I think these were called Faith. I cut them about 3 inches, and I twirled them to open them up. They are like super fresh, plus peach roses don't open up so great. So I just went in and let's add these into different spots. Pink roses are next, and these were a few days old, so I was hoping that they would have bloomed, but they didn't. So I'm just going to go in and we're going to put these in, again, some of the hollow spots. And now we're going to add in some Monte Cassino. That's how you pronounce it. Anyway, we're going to add that in. So it called for white and purple. And so I'm going to go ahead and stick that through. I think I already put the white, and I already deleted part of that. But I put the white in there. Now we're going to stick in the purple into also the hollow spots. Now, as you guys know, I did a little bit more changing to this. Once it was finished, I noticed that the example had greenery throughout it, so I put some greenery, which made it look a little bit wider. And the picture you guys see is the next day. She gave me the wrong date for the delivery. Oh my goodness. But anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe. I need folks to start subscribing and not just watching these videos. It takes a lot of time, and I need to build up my followers so that I can start getting paid to do this. All the great information I give to you. Anyway, goodbye.